Hey students, I hope you guys are great. Without any delay, let's start with today's topic. So today our topic is related to combining functions. Guys, as the name itself says, let me define the combining functions in a very simple way. So combining functions simply involves applying mathematical operations to two or more functions. So, let me write it down. To two or more. I'm running out of space. So. I have two examples here. One would be applying the operation of addition, and the other one would be applying the operation of subtraction. So let's see what we have. In example 1, we have f of x as negative x squared plus 3 and g of x as negative 2x. We need to find f plus g to x. Okay? So this simply means that this is an addition operation between these two functions. Okay? So let's start working on it. So we have, let me work on example 1. So example 1. So we have, so f plus g x would be, so f of x is negative x squared plus 3. So you have negative x squared. Okay? And then g of x is negative 2x. Okay? So we have negative x squared plus 3 minus 2x. Be very careful with the signs. This is where many students make mistakes. So here we have a positive times a negative, gives us a negative. Be very careful. So let's write it in the correct order. You don't need to change it, but just for the sake of ordering it correctly. So negative x squared minus 2x. This is what we have for the first one. Let's look at the second one. We have f of x is 3x minus 4. G of x is x plus 5. Be very careful here because this is a subtraction. So we have to be very careful with the order. Okay? So g of x is being subtracted from f of x. Okay? Not the other way around. So f of x is 3x minus 4. Okay? Subtract. G of x is x plus 5. Now remember, there is something I just mentioned, not even a minute, but a few seconds back. Be extremely careful with the signs. So let's work on this. So you have 3x minus 4. You see this negative? It's being multiplied with both of them. So it becomes negative x minus 5. Okay, so what are we left with? 3x minus x will give us 2x. Okay, and then minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. If you have a confusion in this part, like for example minus 4 minus 5, you have to go back to like the 6th grade curriculum and revise the addition and subtraction of integers. There is no other choice. Well, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I might do a multiplication and division example. And I hope you guys understood this well. Thank you.